Good morning, Junior 2. Today we have lesson 2, which is called the bird's body. The bird's body. Junior 2, last session we talked about the body parts, okay? But today we talk about the bird's body. The bird's body consists of eyes, beak, wings, legs, claws. So, the bird's body consists of eyes, beak, wings, legs, claws. Eyes, beak, wings, legs, claws. The bird's body consists of eyes, beak, wings, legs, claws. Supers. Now I ask you, what is this? Beak. Supers. And this? Eyes. And this? Wings. And this? Legs. Supers, Junior 2. And the last one, what is this? Claws. Supers. Now I will make a revision. The bird's body consists of number 1, eyes. Number 2, beak. Number 3, wings. Number 4, legs. Number 5, claws. Supers, Junior 2. After that, we talk about number 1, wings. Junior 2, look at the picture and see. Wings are large or small? Wings are large or small? Yes, wings are large. Wings are large to help the bird to fly. So, birds have wings to fly. Number 1, wings. Wings are large to help the bird fly. Through the air, Junior 2, like this. Okay? Birds have wings to fly through the air. Supers. The second part, beak. Junior 2, all of you have mouth, yes or no? Yes, we have mouth to eat. But the birds don't have mouth. Birds have beak to eat. Junior 2, birds don't have mouth. Birds have beak to eat. Okay, Junior 2? So, number 2, beak. Beak is strong. Look. Beak is strong to make the bird eat its prey. Okay, Junior 2? So, beak is strong to make the bird eat its prey. Number 1, wings. Wings are large to fly. Beak is strong to eat. Wings are large to fly. Beak is strong to eat. Supers. The last part, claws. Look, Junior 2. Claws are strong or weak? Yes, strong. To make the bird catch and carry its prey. To make the bird catch and carry its prey. So, claws are strong. Claws are strong. Claws are strong. To catch and carry. To catch and carry. To catch and carry. So, claws are strong. Claws are strong. To catch and carry its prey. To catch and carry its prey. Super. Now I will make a revision. Let's start from beginning, Junior 2. The bird's body consists of eyes, beak, wings, legs, claws. Eyes, beak, wings, legs, claws. Supers. Number 1. Wings. Number 1. Wings. Number 1. Wings. Wings are large to fly. Wings are large to fly. Wings are large to fly. Beak is strong to eat. Beak is strong to eat. Claws are strong to catch and carry its prey. Claws are strong to catch and carry its prey. Claws are strong to catch and carry its prey. Supers. Now we solve exercise in the main booklet. Label the following figure. Look and say, what is this? Okay, Junior 2. Number 1. Eyes. Supers. And this? Wings. And this? Beak. And this? Legs. The last one, yes, claws. Claws. Supers. Match Junior 2. Junior 2, birds have beak? Yes, to eat. Supers. So, number 1, beak is strong to eat its prey. Beak is strong to eat its prey. Supers. Junior 2. Birds have claws to, yes, catch and carry its prey. So, claws are strong to catch and carry its prey. Claws are strong to catch and carry its prey. Supers. Birds have wings to fly. Supers. So, wings are large to fly. Wings are large to fly. Super Junior 2. You have homework weekend sheet number 2 in the worksheet booklet.